What's a seaplane?
Seaplane, they land on water.
They land in water?
Yeah.
Where do cars go?
Parking lot.
In the parking lot?
Yeah.
Can cars go in the water?
No. Not very well, only parking lot.
Only parking lot?
Yeah.
Can all the airplane go in the water?
No.
No. How come?
They're gonna bump. The muffler gonna be big, and all of it's gonna blow big, and they're gonna bump fire. All of them. They're gonna go start flying fast.
Then what's gonna happen?
Next, do you know?
What?
Bump into a gate.
In the gate?
And everyone bump into the front aeroplane. The front aeroplane got on fire, and they all crashed.
What happens if the plane lands in water?
The muffler gets small. Then it's slowly small.
The planes have mufflers?
Yeah.
What about cars?
Yeah.
The cars have mufflers too?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go on an airplane?
Yeah.
How fast do airplanes go?
This much.
That fast?
Yeah.
I thought they go really fast.
No.
They don't?
No.
How fast do cars go? So planes don't go very fast?
No.
Do planes fly?
No.
What's your favorite plane?
Blue.
Blue planes?
Yeah.
Why?
And black planes too, and police planes.
Police planes?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a police plane?
Nope, not yet.
Not yet. What sound does a police plane make? What do you do with the police plane?